everybody, welcome to Python Coders. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to draw an Among Us character in Python Part 4. So in this video, I am going to show you how to color in your Among Us character. So to do this, I am going to use something called fill color. So basically, at the top, I'm going to first color the body, then the mask, and then the backpack. So at the very top, I am just going to write t.fill color, and then I'm going to use cyan 2. So in this case, there is a list of colors online that I used. So then in this case, cyan 2 is actually lighter than well, I like cyan 2 more for the body. So I'm going to be using cyan 2 for this. You can change the color based on your character. I'm just using cyan. So after that, I'm going to type begin fill. And then at the very end, I'm just going to write t.end fill. So now we basically told it, here's the color you want to fill it with. Now start filling, and then here end filling. So let's run this. So we have our body as now it's our body cyan, and now we're going to color in the mask. So over here, I'm just going to write t.fill color light gray. So this is just the color I chose for this because I didn't want it to be too dark. So I just chose to color it light gray. And then I'm going to do t.begin fill. And then at the bottom, t.end fill. So here is what it looks like now. We've made our character, and we've made the mask, and now we've colored in the mask. So now I just need to color in this backpack. So, as usual, right over here, I'm going to write t.fill color, and I'm using the color cyan 3. I just didn't like cyan as much, so I changed it to cyan 2 and cyan 3. So it's a slightly different shade for the backpack than the character. So now I'm going to put t.begin fill. And then at the end, I'll write t.end fill. Now for your character, you can choose, you can change up the colors here. You'll want to keep the mask light gray because that is the color for all the masks. But if your character is yellow or red or lime, then you can just change these. So right now, this is what my cyan character looks like. So it draws out the body, colors it cyan, draws the mask, colors that gray, and whoops, I put this in too early on accident. I put it right before my forward 200, so just need to put it right under t.end fill. There. Okay, now it should work. I put it right before the closing thing, so it didn't really know when to stop filling. So now it should work. So now it's drawn the square, then it colors us a slightly different shade. So now if this is not your color, you can always change this. So if you want to change it to lime, then, or let's say you want to change it to just to make it easier, blue. Then we'll just put this one also as blue. I'm not 100% sure if just straight up lime is a color, so I'm just going to use blue as an example for now. Okay, so then you can change it to blue, you can change it to red, whatever you want as long as you just change whatever it says here in this fill color. Now, let's say, for example, your character is white. So when you type in white here and white here, then you can't really tell where the body, and you can't really tell the difference between whether it's been filled or not, other than that the mask is a different color. So I'm going to show you guys how to change your background color. So all you're going to write is at the top, you're going to write turtle.bg color, and then you're going to put whatever color you want. So I'm going to put black. And now when we run it, it changes the background color to black. You can't see it drawing yet. But now you can see white, gray, and the backpack. So right now it kind of looks odd because there's like these sections that are kind of blank. So what we're going to do is change the pen color to a gray color. So here I'm just going to write t.pen color. And then I'm going to put gray. Oops. So now we have a slightly different color for the pen. So now we can see it draw. And it's up against a black background, so it's easier for us to see a white character. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video series. If you did, please like it. If you have any ideas for new videos or any questions, put them in the comments below, and I will try my best to address them. Happy programming!